Here we have one question that is based on basic proportionality theorem. As you can see, there is a figure given here, and we are given two angles as equal. That is angle, this is angle CEF is equal to CFE. We are given these two angles equal. Further, F is given the midpoint. So these two are also equal. That is DF is equal to FC. Now let's emphasize on the part. What we need to prove here is this. That is, if you look into the figure and it says AB, this is AB over BD, this part is BD, is equal to AE, that means this, over FD. And FD is this. Now, ignoring this FD part, we can realize that it is can be proved equal if we use BPT on this triangle. Let's say if it consider the triangle here, so the triangle being considered should be, right, we are going to consider this triangle as for the two proof, right? So this is, we get a hint that we have to use BPT on this triangle. And that is the reason why we need a construction. So this is the only difficult part of this sum, that we have to realize that we need to prove and draw a line, which we have already done. That is DN is drawn parallel to BE. Now we can apply BPT on this triangle. So we'll consider this triangle, that is ABE. We know that this is DN, which is drawn parallel to BE by construction. So we can apply BPT, that is AB over BD is equal to AE over, that is AE over EN. Now, when you compare with the first, with what we have to prove, when you compare these two, you will realize that except for this part, that is FD, we need to replace it with EN, right? We need to replace this. So now, let's see how we can do so. We'll apply once again BPT in another triangle, that is, let's say triangle DCN over here. We have DN parallel to FE. And so you once again, DN is drawn parallel to FE. So let me show you the triangle as well I'm talking about. Here I'm talking about this triangle. So here too I'm going to apply BPT. And in that case, we'll get a ratio, that is DF over FC is equal to NE over CE. Right. Now check again that here these two angles are given equal. So based on this, we can say that when two angles of a triangle, in a triangle, when two angles are equal, then their opposite sides are equal. That means we have these two sides as equal. So we can say that since CF is equal to EC, so we can cancel this. And from here we got, from this we got DF is equal to NE. Now what I said, that if I replace this NE, right? I mean to say that if I replace this NE over here, we'll get DF, right? And that is what we are required to prove. So we mark this equation, say 3, and say this is 1. So we'll say from 1 and 3. What we are going to do is to replace this EN with DF. So that's what we will get. We write down here. This means we'll get AB over BD is equal to AE. That is all from first part, right, as of now. And then replacing EN with DF. So you can see that this is how we prove this question.